Everyone, my name is Piyanshi from Class +2 Commerce A, and I'm the project leader of our team for the AI project Noodles-Bot. My main job is to plan and schedule the tasks for everyone. I ensure that the work is completed on time, and if anyone has doubts, I am there to solve their doubts. Other than that, I also act as the main point of contact for everyone. I'm also the designer. I create design and decide how our project will move step by step to solve the problem stated.
Hi everyone, I am Mansirat of Plus 2 Science C. I am the data expert of our team. My role is to collect the data required for our project and make sure it is correct and useful. I ensure that the data we collected is suitable for our project training. I also act as an information researcher for our team. I collect questions and information from our users and find the answers and prepare a short report for its background. I am Dazy of Class XII and I am tester of my team. My work is to build and train the model and then how it is checked accurate and efficient it is. I make sure everything looks good.
Together we work as a team. I handle leadership and design.